Hello everyone, welcome to our video session. So I hope everyone are good today. So let's draw some different kinds of creativity pictures and the sceneries in a video. So here first I'm drawing an apple tree. So I've drawn the different kinds of branches and the apples inside it. So again I'm opening the sheets and then I'm drawing a different emojis of a apple tree with the big eyes and with the mustache and then a tongue with open and then a beard. So here is a beautiful pink shaded and the green shaded different emoji apple tree. So again I'm folding a sheet and then drawing using a plaster. I'm drawing a circle in the mid. So here I'm drawing inside different kinds of linings. It's like a nest and then I'm connecting this part with a black sketch half part and then let's move on. So again I'm drawing a circle type, then a bird is sitting inside it, so drawing an eyes and the lips and then it's eating an watermelon. So here's a beautiful watermelon with green color and the black shades. So let's move on. Here again I'm taking a half sheets and then in the mid I'm drawing an apple. Slowly I'm drawing an apple and then I'm drawing the leaves of the apple. So take that half fold and connect them with the apple and then draw the lines and we are drawing the inner bite of the apple. So inside there will be a seed and different emojis is being drawn inside the apple. So let me put some shades like red color and the yellow color. Inside there is a worm. So here's a beautiful apple inside worm picture. So let's move on. Again I'm drawing the body and then I'm drawing the eyes. Here I'm drawing the red chili. So something eating. So here let me shade with the red color. Dark red color is being shaded and then its fire is coming out with a pink color. And then I'm drawing a circle with a mid and then drawing the top bottom. So inside the sheet I'm drawing a rabbit sitting inside the carrot. So let's shade with the pink color and the red color. So slowly it's been shaded and here's a beautiful carrot inside a rabbit. So I'm folding a paper and then I'm drawing the circle type. Again I'm drawing the beak and inside a beak. So here I'm drawing the ears and then I'm drawing the hands and the legs. So hands is being drawn and the legs is being drawn and a big tail is being drawn. So let's draw the eyes with the smiling face. Let's open the paper, connect them. So inside this I'm drawing a mouth attached to it and then again an eyes and the opening tongue. So let me put some shades like yellow color and different birds inside a bird. So I'm drawing a sunflower in the mid of the sheet and then I'm lining the sunflower slowly. So drawing the leaves and a face is being drawn and a bird inside a sunflower. A bee is sitting inside a sunflower. Here's a beautiful sunflower picture. So circle is being drawn and inside a different kind of lining is being done. So here's a watermelon type of lining. So remove the paper in the center and then rat is sitting inside